Hello guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dustin, this is Autobahn Speed. In this video I'm gonna give you some more details of this car, the Alfa Romeo Mito. We're gonna take a closer look at it and I'm gonna give you some shots when I drove by with the car. And I hope you get a good impression of what this car looks like. So enjoy the video. Well, and that is the end of this video. I gave you all the details about Alfa Romeo Mito. I hope you have a good impression what it looks like from the outside and the inside. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching the video, and don't forget to leave in the comments what you think of it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you see always the newest videos. In the next video we're gonna take it for a night drive and a drive on the Autobahn, so keep on watching and see you in the next video.